Here is my outline for my AI exploration project, with a few added notes on there as well. My name is Evan James Stagner. I am a marketing major here at Western Kentucky. The area I chose for this project was AI in sports marketing and how it can greatly impact the world of marketing in sports. This area interests me personally, one, because I'm a huge fan of sports. I played sports my whole life, being football, track, baseball, and whatnot. I'm also, as I previously mentioned, a marketing major, so hopefully sometime in the future I could make a career out of something like that. Specifically for this project, I'm interested in how traditional and generative AI play roles in the world of marketing and sports, and I'm interested in how AI can help teams connect with fans and generate more sales. To start off, traditional AI usually focuses on predictive analytics and segmentation. For example, teams are using predictive models to forecast future sales and to help them set prices for said tickets and merchandise as well. Some things like classification models can help indicate which fans are more likely than not to renew their season tickets, which fans are more likely to buy jerseys, food at the games whenever they go, things like that. Recommendation systems suggest merchandise or events based off customers' past purchases and things. And computer vision is used to track crowd behavior and track broadcast engagement via television and other streaming services as well. How do these applications add value? Well, that's pretty simple. It helps drive ticket prices through the roof. That's not what I meant to say. How can these applications add value? Well, to put it simply, it helps drive ticket revenue through the roof. You're getting more sales on merchandise and higher fan engagement, or you're at least able to track that on a better, more consistent basis. You're also able to tailor marketing segmentation. You're also able to tailor marketing. With these models, you're also able to tailor marketing campaigns more effectively. In short, traditional AI can help sports organizations make smarter data-driven choices that can help lead to greater profit and fan engagement, directly improving profitability and fan satisfaction. Now, generative AI focuses more on the creative side of marketing, using things like ChatGPT or other AI tools like that to create advertisements, merchandise, whether it be clothing, flags, jerseys, whatnot. You're able to create posts on social media and a bunch of other things. If you're a sports organization using generative AI, you're also able to push out emails on a more consistent, repetitive basis, I guess, using something like a chatbot to send out emails or reminders about a game coming up, or promotions or discounts on merchandise, tickets, and whatnot. Another thing that generative AI is great at is whenever I'm on, let's say, Instagram or something like that, I see a highlight reel or just a post about something that a player, like, let's say Aaron Judge, for example, did against the Dodgers last year in the World Series. Generative AI could help tie in that highlight reel better together than maybe somebody like me or whoever's working for that marketing team can, and it'll help the video look smoother, output it faster to multiple other sources and platforms, and do it in a more sufficient way. These tools are changing practices by making personalization a more scalable feature. Imagine in the future a fan were to miss a big game because they were working or because they were busy, they were caught up with something else. But minutes after the game, they got a highlight reel sent to them via text or email personally from the sports organization's marketing department. And it was a highlight reel of everything that they wanted to see but missed out on, and it was there minutes after the game ended, so they didn't miss anything at all. That's the future of generative AI within sports marketing. It's not just a tool that is seen as efficient, but it's also a tool that is seen as personable. It makes connection with your favorite sports team, whatever it may be, greater, I would say. You feel like there's an actual bond and connection with them, and that would lead to them getting more sales, more profit margins, and just better engagement overall. For my 2 interviews, I spoke with a friend back home, his father, who owns a small landscaping business, and he runs the digital marketing program for them, helping send out flyers like via Facebook or Instagram or whatnot, and around town. And the other person I spoke with was a good friend of mine who goes here. Her name is Drew Stater. She's a sports marketing major. They both shared some insights about how predictive analytics can influence ticket pricing strategies or merchandise pricing strategies, and also how generative AI can be used to create personal fan communication. One point we discussed was kind of how surprising it was that customers, fans in this circumstance, have adapted to, or how quickly they've adapted to AI-driven personalization. Instead of like kind of finding it impersonal, it's almost like the opposite, where fans react better to these kind of things, like the chatbot emails, constant reminders about games, ticket sales, whether it's on sale or not, promos and discounts for merchandise, whether that's jerseys or anything else like that. Social media posts. Fans just don't want to miss out on whatever their team's doing. There's a lot of loyalty that comes with it, and I think that's plays the biggest role in everything, is how crazy Americans or just people all over the world go for their teams. It's something that truly matters in the whole side of the marketing department. What we kind of like discussed and found was that many people prefer tailored experiences via AI rather than something generic and It's personalized more, I guess. Whether that just includes your name on the back of a jersey, that an email that they're sending you or whatnot, instead of it just being like, oh, hello, all fans. It's more direct. This project really opened my eyes to see how impactful AI can be. I know it's used everywhere. Us as students, we use AI all the time to help us with whatever we can, especially like ChatGPT. But I didn't realize how much companies and organizations use it. It's funny, like you have your teachers or whatnot kind of frown upon the use of AI, but kids trying to find jobs after college and school, it's almost like overtaken by AI, and they kind of prefer you to have some experience in it. So that was one thing that I definitely learned through this project and kind of shocked by. For sake of sports marketing, the use of AI on both the creative and the generative and traditional side, its impact is insane. I mean, you want to see the data of everything, like whether that's how many fans are buying certain tickets, at what price they're buying tickets, what price they're buying food, how much of this you can just maximize on for your profit. It's so much that goes into it, and when you're just sitting back and just enjoying it as a fan like myself, you don't really realize how much really goes into it and just how much data there is out there available that you can use for your advantage. What kind of, I don't know if exciting is the right word, but what excites me the most is to see like how crazy things are now with AI, and it's only going to keep growing and getting more and more and more advanced, and the use of it is going to be something that's just used on the daily in all facets of life. And so I can't imagine like 10, 15 years from now what these new personalized emails or posts or what, I don't know, it'll be crazy to see for sure. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my AI exploration project video. And yeah, thank you.